cold start this morning, had a heavy frost, and then it started raining, and then all the rain froze and I couldn't get the truck doors open. And anyway, here now, and I've had a pallet delivery, which is quite handy. There's a local company that does install solar panels, and they when they have too many pallets in their little warehouse, they drop them off here, which is pretty handy. So I'm going to do some cutting today, already there. I don't know if you can see. Let's switch this over and add a little bit of snow on the hills. We can snow on the hills up there, just a light spattering. It's quite unusual to get snow where we are, but you often get a bit up on the hills there. I can't zoom in any further than that. Should be supposed to be sort of sunny in a bit, but I don't know what's happening with the weather at the moment. It's kind of a bit weird. Anyway, won't be climbing up there too much either, because it's going to be pretty wet and slippery, possibly even icy, at least until the sun comes out. Right, let's get going. That's about a tank and a bit. Some fairly decent sized rounds in there. At least they were pretty heavy. It was 19 inches. What's this one? It's 19 inches again. Oh, 19, must be the same log. Yeah, I think kind of 19, 18 inches is about the largest here. They're heavy because they're still green. 17. This one. 18 and a half. Yeah, so probably most of those rounds are kind of 18, 19 inches, the big ones, and a few small ones. Just happen to have a fairly large number of big logs. It's quite a big one there. What's that? If you've seen in previous videos, I've taken out bigger logs at the other end. I can't see. That's 23 inches, 24 inches that one. That snow's melted. That little dusting of snow. Oh, yeah, it's completely gone now. This doesn't surprise me. The sun's been out mostly, which is pretty good. Started off pretty weird. That hill there doesn't have. It didn't have any snow on it. Anyway, still plenty more to do. Right, I'm going to get this lot into the truck now, or at least some of it into the truck. Ready for splitting? I'm going to head over to the splitter with this lot now, because something arrived this morning which is for a new modification I've got planned, so that's coming up next. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.